Hello, I'm Alex from MovinsEdition. MovinsEdition has only one used product, and it's a luxury Montblanc writing instrument Meisterstück ballpoint pen. It's a clean product that Alex used as a gift without a separate username or imprint. But there is a life scratch. Montblanc, which has gained fame as a writing instrument, has expanded its business to jewelry, leather goods, and luxury watches, and is loved by many people all over the world. Especially writing instruments are a brand with a large fan base. Montblanc, a German brand whose name originated from Montblanc among the Alps. The Montblanc logo is also an expression of luxury. Alex also used Montblanc Meisterstück products and attracted a little attention from people around him. That wasn't the purpose. It's hard to discuss luxury with just one writing instrument, but it's the best item for those who care about the details. It's now equipped with Montblanc refills. You can also look at Tonino Lamborghini ballpoint pen, which was posted by Alex, MovinsEdition. This product, introduced by MovinsEdition, is a second-hand product that is a luxury Montblanc cursive Meisterstück ballpoint pen. The ballpoint pen is coming out well until now. It's a clean pen that Alex used as a gift without a separate username or imprint, but there is a life scratch. I recommend this pen for anyone who wants to use only high-end ballpoint pens, collect them in Montblanc collections, or give them a point with a pen.